Hello Internet, what is up? My name is Paul Jones, and today we are writing some code. Although less code than maybe usual because the app largely works now, which is good. The remaining items are just that I want all-day events on the calendar representing the summation of logs for that day, and then fix. For some reason, the Electron app is not building, so we will figure that out. But first things first, yarn nextron dev. What's unusual about about it failing to build is that it devs correctly, so it leads me to believe there's something wrong with the configuration. Okay. Now, I guess there might be one item, or I think I must have deleted it, right? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Let's just give a try to, let's Google say, average American average day of food, say. Let's see if we can, or average American diet log, say. Yeah, let's take a look at this Western style. Let's take a look what we've got here. It'd be cool if we could see, like, an example. See if we can get maybe an image of it. Average American day of eating. Let's see, what answer is this? I guess it was upvoted a lot. Reddit Ask an American. I had a bagel, it was nice. I don't even know what to make. I don't even know if this is necessarily a good way of doing it. Average American meal plan. I don't think that's... take a look at this. This might be good. Okay, cool. This is some sort of fit calculator, and this will serve the purposes that I want. So I'll put in my details here, and we'll get the answer. 5'10", also known as 6' -2. Current weight 189. We'll go with light activity. Let's just see. Okay, yes, thank you. Okay, here we go. Here's our plan. Cool. We'll just take one day to say, I guess, well, what I'll do is I'll actually copy this whole thing. This is very good, information for coming up with an example, say. And let's create a new, example.txt. Let's paste it in here. And let's just take day 1 at first. In order to... Let me think about this. So I have my app running here. Let me think. I think I might create a new database just as an example for this. So that would be what did I call it? I guess it's db dot, yeah, okay. I should really change these passwords. They've been on stream so many times. Please don't hack me. Let's create a new database called example user. Create. And let's create options. So I think if I go into here, and I create a document. And I don't think it needs any of this stuff. I think if I were to do password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think if I were to example user, I were to create this document. Oh, doc.roles, okay. Doc.roles equals to empty array. Oh, okay, it's probably just roles. Create the document. Doc ID. Okay, fair enough. Example user. There we go. And then we'll go to our example user here, and we'll go to permissions, and we'll say example user. And then I should be able to take this database and to example.user with pass and I think it's of this form. So we take that, paste it here. Let's just clear the log just to take a look at what the log does. Okay, yep, it's looking good. Looks like we've synced to that. And let's go ahead and attempt to... in fact, what I'll do is I'll put this there. I'll put this there. This is getting very complicated. Please go right. No. Okay, I think that's maybe a hopeless case. I can do that. I can do that. What if I do? Oh, wow, that works. Cool. And we'll put this there. Very sweet. So, with that said... Oh wait, I don't need all of these. I actually, for now, don't need this. No, it's hard to make it go away. Okay, there we go. Because we're going to go to, say, America's most popular grocery store. I think it's Walmart. Why would you start at the bottom? Oh, this is approval rating, but I'm talking like by usage. Top grocery store. Yeah, it's Walmart. So let's go to Walmart. And let's try to build this thing. So... We'll use this one. And we'll start off with a grapefruit. Cool. So... let's see what it's like making this. So, red grapefruit each. So I instantly noticed that I think I actually want to move price to second. So let's just go ahead and do that. Form, item form, mass grams. There. Further, something I just want to consider. It would appear this particular item doesn't have... Why wouldn't this item have, nutrition info? That's odd. I guess we could go for something like this just for the purposes of it, but let's just make sure that I have all... So I don't have these micronutrients, which I think is fine. Like I am interested in tracking them, but this form is already like way too long. So I'm sure, well, I think it's probably that grapefruits vary, but... So... let's do... So, servings is first. Servings... Mass... Calories... Fat... Okay, it is in the correct order. Trans fat... Cholesterol... Sodium... Carbohydrate... Fiber... Sugar... Sugar alcohol is on here, but whatever. Protein. Yeah, this is now the correct order. Now, I could add micronutrients, but we'll just leave it as is. So, let's go as though we were doing this now. So, boom. So, interestingly, this is 6.5 ounces. Now, the app currently only supports grams. And in every ounce, I believe there's 32 grams, but we'll get to that. So this price is $124. And now, theoretically, I should be able to take this and paste it in here. And it largely gets it right here. That's awesome. Now, mass, I happen to know that's, what is it, 6.5 ounce in G. 180, well, we'll go with 184. And there we go. So that's our first item put in there. Let's go back to our example. 2 poached eggs or fried in a pan. Okay. Well, we're gonna need eggs for that. So let's go over here. And I'm just going for the first result. So we'll go great value eggs. These are 282. And we'll take the nutrition facts here. And we'll paste it in. And look at that. It largely gets it right. That's awesome. In fact, this one's perfect. So we'll hit submit. Look, it even got servings. That's fantastic. Okay, and we get a slice of whole wheat toast. So we need whole wheat bread. Okay, so let's hit plus. So I just want that. This is 110. And we grab this. And we paste it in here. And, so if there were 22 servings and there were 20 ounces, that means that, it's gonna be about 30 grams. That'll be about right. So we'll just submit that there. Fantastic. Okay. Now, what is this? Is this a snack or something here? Day 1, breakfast. Yeah, snack. Okay, so we need bananas. We got a bunch of bananas. We need one with this one. This one will do. Yeah, this will do. Okay, bananas each. Okay, so banana price 24 cents. Servings it's the answer is 1. But if we just take these, paste it in there, its mass, it's saying, is 100 grams. And it gets everything else. Fantastic. Okay, so that's banana. And now we get yogurt and honey. So, okay. Yogurt. We're just going with the first one. Because we're going as though we are, what's the word? So we're doing this for the first time, right? So this price is $4.36. Let's grab the nutrition facts here. Paste it in there. It's got a mass. So they're 6 ounces each. So that's going to be about 170. Okay. And everything else is looking good. Okay. Cool. So that's our snack. Now we're at lunch. So we're going to have grilled chicken breast. Okay. So we're going to need... let's see if we can get it made for us. Grilled chicken breast. Yeah. I mean, we're going with the first one. Yeah, let's just go with the first one. Plus that, its price is $4.94. And then we'll just grab this here. And we'll paste it in there. And it looks like it's grabbed everything. Fantastic. Okay, and now... So it's saying 3 cups mixed greens with cherry tomatoes, avocado. Okay. So we need mixed greens. And its price is $3.98. And it has just these nutrition facts. Okay. Boom. And I guess the answer to that is 0. And the answer to this must be 0. And there we go. Wait a minute. Something's gone wrong. Servings. The answer is actually 3.5. Okay. Messed that up somehow. Cherry tomatoes. So this is a 1 pound package for $4.48. And we grab this info here and paste it in there. It has a mass of 148 grams. The answer to this must be 0. Let's submit. Okay, we got our grape tomatoes. We got a 1/4 of an avocado, so avocado. And we have a price of 88 cents. And let's grab this here. There we go. And now we need balsamic vinaigrette. Its price is $2.52. And we'll grab this information here. Paste it in the servings, and it successfully auto-populates. Fantastic. So that's our lunch done. Now we get another snack. We get baby carrots. It has a price of 98 cents. And let's just grab this. Boom. It has a mass of 85 grams. Submit. Okay. So now we get hummus. And its price is $2.87. And we grab the nutrition facts. And we paste it. Fantastic. Now we get pita bread. Okay, just go with the first one. This is 582. And we grab the nutrition facts. And we paste it. Correctly auto-populates. Okay. So that was a snack. Now we have dinner, which we get some broccoli. And we're lazy, so we're going with frozen. Okay. I'm gonna put in the original price, because the app doesn't really support different prices for the same product. You know, theoretically you could even modify this to support multiple grocery stores to sort of compare similar plans, but that is beyond the scope of what I want to accomplish. Okay, we got our broccoli. Now we need some brown rice. And we'll go with the instant, because, you know, we're keeping things quick. Also, I just think the serving size is going to be better for my purposes here. But usually I'm trying to stick to just the first one that comes up. Okay, so these numbers are a little odd, but let's see how the app does parsing them. So it would be 50 grams as a single serving. It seems to have done the right thing there. Great. Now we get 4 ounces of halibut. So, plus, let's grab this. It is $19.97. Oh, it doesn't have nutrition facts, and I'm too lazy to go into the details here. What the hell is this? 10 pounds for $438? What an odd thing. Okay, so, I mean, maybe we'll just go for COD then. Not Call of Duty, but thank you. So, okay, I'll paste that in there. This is now actually this, and it's now actually 1887, and it has a mass of 112 grams. Okay, submit. So that was dinner, and it looks like we have another snack, so we need some Medjool dates. So we hit plus. We copy this, we paste it in there. And price of $4.98. Oh, curses. This doesn't have nutrition info. Let's just see if this one does. Yeah, this one does. So we'll just go with this one. $19.79. Okay. So now that we've got all of our items, let's go to groups where we'll create these meals. So this will be day 1 breakfast. We're making 1, and it contains. Oh, found a bug with the app. Why we do this. I think I know what this... Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I think I know what's causing this. So if we go into Formic, no. Form controls. The sub-item field must be the autocomplete input, okay. Now, I thought... Oh, I think this is the answer. So, let's see here. So we have the name search state. And we have the sub-item name state. If we have a name search state, we set it equal to that. But when one is selected, we set the name search state to undefined, and it can be undefined. Oh, yeah, that should be okay. Okay, that should allow us to now search for grapefruit. Okay, and when I click on this, it correctly... Okay, fantastic. That fixes that. Now where... Oh, my notes are actually in here. So yep, we got a grapefruit. We're making eggs. So there's 2 of them. And we get whole wheat bread. And we get 1 serving. So that's day 1 breakfast. Okay. Now we get day 1 snack 1. Servings 1. It's gonna be a banana. And it's gonna be yogurt. Oh, I didn't get honey. So let's just make sure modification works. I mean, this is a fairly common thing that would happen. So let's go over to items. Let's search for honey. Grab the first one here. And it's $3.94. And let's grab these nutrition facts here. And its mass, I mean, I presume it means 21 grams, but who knows, I suppose. Looks about right to me. Now we go over to our groups. We modify this, and we add honey, 1 serving. And here are our totals here. Cool. Now, let's create day 1 lunch. Servings 1. And it's baby carrots. I should... Okay, so I'm gonna hit submit, not done yet. Go over here and search for carrots and modify this to not have 1 pound bag, because that's confusing. And I'm actually also going to search for ounce, and I'm going to remove all instances of that from here, because it sort of implies, like, you're using the whole thing when that's obviously not true. Okay, let's go over to our groups. Let's modify our lunch. It's baby carrots. Oh wait, I mixed this up. So this actually has to be chicken breast, and it's calling for 6 ounces. And 1 ounce. So a half serving is an ounce, so that would mean we need 3 servings of that. Hummus. Oh, no, what am I doing here? Garden salad. So, okay, this is an interesting time to actually demonstrate that we can make a garden salad. 1 serving, which is market side spring mix, 1 cherry tomato, 1 cup. I mean, that should be about right. And then avocado, and then balsamic vinaigrette. And I guess we get 2 servings of that. Does that make sense? I mean, we're on a diet. I'll have 1. And I think it said. I mean, we'll just leave it like that. So garden salad, and I also couldn't help but notice this shouldn't have 1 pound package in it. This shouldn't have 2 pound in it. And so a kind of cool thing about this app is when you update one of these items here, when you go over to where you utilize that thing, it has updated this as well. And that would include if any of the values have updated. So we were on lunch, I believe, and we hit edit, and now we can say, and this is another cool feature, is that groups can have other groups. So it has a garden salad. And there we have our lunch. Okay. Now we have another snack. Day 1 snack 2, 1 serving. So this is the baby carrots with hummus. And pita. There's our snack. Now we'll create our dinner. Say day 1 dinner, 1 serving. And get broccoli. Oh, what's gone wrong here? Something's wrong with broccoli. Yeah, what happened here? Oh, how many servings are there? About 3.5. So there we go, it's updated that. Now we go for brown rice. And we go for, we had cod. So, cod. And 4 ounces, so that's about an ounce. So that means, yeah, that one serving I think is about. I think that's about right. I think this must be roughly right. Okay. Now we get another snack. Day 1, snack 3. 1 serving. Med fuel dates. We're just going to assume it's 1 serving. Oh, I didn't put in dark chocolate, so let's save that and find dark chocolate. And it has a mass of 30 grams. So we go to our snack 3, and we add 1 serving of the dark chocolate. Now, with that done, what this allows us to do is go into our plans here, and we could do something like day 1, where we search for day 1, so it would be breakfast, and then day 1 snack 1, and then day 1 lunch, and then day 1 snack 2, and then day 1 dinner, and then day 1 snack 3. Cool. So I think that was all of them. I'm going to hit submit. What we actually have is the tabulation of what this would cost, and what's kind of cool is that just using even the sort of default serving values, like I didn't really go into what they said. I mean, this is a 2,000 on the dot calorie diet, which is like basically exactly right, and it has a total cost of $18, which is, you know, I would say in my experience about typical. And further, what it allows us to do is we could go into the log, and this is the whole reason I set up this little scheme, is let's go ahead and add, say, 1 at 9 a.m. for that breakfast, say, and then let's add another one at, say, I guess it would have to be like 10:30 for day 1, snack 1, and then create another entry at noon for lunch. Oh, and then we can create another one, say 3 for snack 2, and then we can create another one, say at 6 for dinner, and then say another one at 9 for snack 3. And upon doing this, so I've yet to... the whole point of doing this little data entry exercise was because I wanted something like this to be able to operate on, to be able to fill out this view, but it would just be nice to be able to open up the details of this. And further, one thing to note if anyone's watching for the purposes of using this application, if you do any updating now, it's not going to update the log, but it will update any of the groups or plans. So, very cool. With that, I shall be right back. Let's do what we have to do with this. Before I do anything, I'm actually going to download the data and just save it just in case I mess it up. And actually, let's just take a look at it. So, that was a dummy example that is already at... I mean, I guess 1,000 lines really isn't that much, but this will get big fast. Let's take a look at it in CouchDB. Well, that's odd. It appears to have not fully have synced. Why would that be deleted? Not exactly sure what to make of that. Okay, sometimes I guess it needs to be restarted. Not really sure about why, but I guess it's synced now. So... we'll make this 1. And... we'll put in more details here. Cool. So, if I want to have totals for a day, what I need to do is so I have my range state. which has a start and end. And
Life is good, life is so good. Day by day, it's like holiday. When you are free, do what you wanna do. Say day by day, it's like holiday.
So, this is from... Oh, no, this is... Oh. It's saying from the 7th to the 13th, but I see the 6th to the 12th. So it mustn't be... This may not be right. So if it's from the 7th to the... if this is from the 6th to the 12th, and this is from the 7th to the 13th... well, that doesn't quite... make sense to me. Oh, so this is month. Let's go to week. So it's the start of the ISO week. What is an ISO week? What are alternatives to ISO week? Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone for now because I'm not entirely sure what's causing it. Because I don't think it... I mean, nominally, I guess it would be correct. I'm not sure about this. So this actually didn't change anything. Oh, of course it wouldn't, because I changed the wrong thing. The 13th to the 19th, correct. 6th to the 12th, correct. I also can't help but notice that we start on day. So what we'll do is make it like this. And that puts us on the 9th at midnight, which is correct. And then if I go to week... Oh, week, let's see, clicking that button needs to invoke this logic as well. And currently clicking that button is controlled by this. So odd. Okay, this is broadly working. It's not working here. Why is that? That's so annoying. Well, I guess on the bright side, it may calculate twice, but it will calculate correctly every time. So, that's all I can say about that. I'm not really that happy about it. Now. This may be an infinite loop. Seems okay. Okay, so the task now is to group our logs by day and sum them. That's very interesting to me. I'll try to do something like that. But let's stick to the plan here. Cool, that works. Now, just a matter of summing them. So it would be item sum nutrition, item interface, and I believe I have that here. And it would be summed price equal to calculated logs on date reduce previous current and then it'd be a matter of events push Okay, besides being wrong, it's fantastic. Oh. There's opportunities for improvement here, but don't want to do them now. There we go. Now, what I wonder is if I were to double-click this, removing it... Wow, it updates automatically. That's fantastic. Okay, I think that's done. There are some things I would like to do, like this, to be honest, is basically unusable, as is this. So, I'll leave it for now. Okay, I think that's all I want to add for the initial version. Oh yes, there is just the matter of fixing it for why Electron builds aren't working. Because this is fantastic. I mean, this really is what I envisioned. I think some of the UI can improve. But it is really pretty good. Okay, let's stop it, and let's try to figure out why we can't yarn Nextron build. Because we can Nextron dev, so we should be able to Nextron build. This is a step that fails. Okay, in order to debug this, what I'm going to do, what is this? Ubuntu, this is not very impressive. There are things on my desktop that I can't click. Oh, first thing we'll do is we will go to Versal. I'm pretty sure that that build should have succeeded, which it appears to have. Yep, so let's promote this to production. I gotta say, this is a fantastic tool. Not sponsored, but Versal, if you would like to access my one viewer, you can totally hit me up for a sponsorship. So, what am I doing here? Don't want that. Let's take a look what we have going on in here. So this is next run test. Let's view the terminal. And let's nvm use LTS. And let's just try build. So, yarn build. Oh, of course. Yarn install. So that succeeded, which means that there must be something wrong with my configuration. So if I open up this app, we do in fact find that it has background.js, which is what it's complaining about. Let's go into this Electron builder file. I mean, I think my app must be structured the same. So, electron builder.yml, paste that in there. This is com.pauljonescodes.nutrition planner. I can probably get a dash, I don't know. Product name, nutrition planner. Copyright 2022, Paul Jones Codes. Let's delete that. So, files from current directory, yeah, it seems fine. Should probably filter out .pass. Okay. Now let's go to package.json. Yeah, that looks good. I mean, hopefully it was just that. Let's see. No. Okay, well, what's in their tsconfig? I mean, I'm quite happy to just take yours. I don't think I have anything particularly special in here. In package JSON, that all seems fine. Maybe it's main? Maybe that's what I messed up. No, it's there. Okay. Well, it actually now does exist. I guess let's try it again. There it is. I mean, it exists. So I did change the TSC, if I recall correctly. Oh, that's so annoying. I'm so close. If only I could speak Chinese. Clearly this guy can. Okay, well, what's in... So, this guy, this working one, actually doesn't have an entry here. So, why should I have an entry there? Hey! It works. So there is our app. And it's stored. Where the hell is it stored? Dist. So there's our Ubuntu, there's our Mac, and I'll have to build it on my PC to have Windows. Okay. So, let's take a look at this. What does this look like? So this is a snap. What's Linux Unpacked? I have no idea. What happens if I double click this? It runs. That is so freaking cool. That is just so neat. And if I were... Oh. If I were to go ahead and just grab this URL, close down this app, and paste it in here, I have all my items. That is fantastic. Okay. Very cool. Let's take a look at it in the browser. What is it? nutritionplanner.app. That's very cool. Let's go ahead and unapply this. Refresh. Oh, it's still there. I don't want that. Shouldn't really matter. There's all our new values. That is so freaking cool. We got our first bug there. Ah! But the premise is that that works, this works, it all works. Toggle the dark UI. Okay, so in the next stream, all I'm going to do is make a little app icon for it, which I think I just put is it... I'll have to look into it, but I think this is what it's using as the app icon now, so presumably I just changed this. Well, I'll figure it out. I'll figure out how to get a little app icon, and I'll make a quick one. And we'll ship this app, and hopefully I will be done before 4 AM tonight. So that is that. I'm going to take a break. Thank you for tuning in. I am absolutely thrilled that this thing is now finally seeing the light of day, because it has been a long voyage, 7, 8, 9 months approximately. Not on the whole time, but still, this has been a project that I've had in the back of my mind, like, oh, I gotta finish that, oh, I gotta finish that, and finally we are approaching the finish line. Just a last little sprint left, and then we should be good to go, and I shall do it tonight. Ooh, my green screen is not great right now. Anyway, thank you for watching.